In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to buy domain name on GoDaddy. First of all, you need to sign in your account. If you don't have an account, you need to sign up on GoDaddy.com. Once you will create an account, then you need to log into your account and then you need to type the domain name you want to buy in the main search right here. So for example, I want to buy this domain. You need to click search domain on the top right side. So once you will search your domain you want to buy, you will see right here the exact match domain. So it doesn't have any other owner. So I can make this domain mine, guys. So I need to click make it yours right here and then click continue. All right, now guys, there are some extra things, but I don't want any of them. For example, they are offering me some domain protection and it costs 8 euros per year, but I don't need this protection, so I will choose no domain protection right here. Also, there are some other extra features, guys, but I don't need any of these things, so I will choose no professional email. So they are offering me an professional email, guys, but I don't need any of them. So I will click continue to cart on the bottom. And as you can see, guys, they are offering me this 33% discount if I buy this domain for 3 years. So I will pay only around 40 euros and I will get 1 extra year for free, guys. So I'm paying for 2 years and they are offering me the 3rd year for free, but I don't need this discount. So I will choose just simple 1 year option. And for example, if I buy com domain for 1 year, I will pay only 12 euros. So I'm also getting a discount. I'm buying it for 1 year and they're giving me 40% discount. So if everything is correct now, I need to pay the money. So there are 2 options. I can use the PayPal to pay this money or can use a credit card. For example, I'm ready to pay. I can click this and I need to enter my billing information, my card number, expiration date, security code, and I will make an order with my debit or credit card. But if I have a PayPal account, I can just simply choose PayPal for payment method. For example, guys, let's use PayPal as a payment method. I will enter my PayPal information and then I need to click authorize on PayPal. I need to enter the code right here. And click agree and continue. And then complete purchase. So that's all, guys. We bought a domain name. If you want to check your bought domains, you need to click your profile on the top right, scroll this down and go to my products. Right here, you will see your domain names. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.